Is the India First Life Guaranteed Monthly Income Plan the perfect recipe for a worry-free future, or does it leave gaps in your financial security? Let us find out through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in. We help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand what this policy is about. So, this is a non-linked participating endowment life insurance plan, and some of the key features of the policy are you can grow your savings systematically by making regular premium contributions tailored to your income and financial needs, and you can benefit from both life insurance coverage and guaranteed savings. Under this plan, you can receive an assured payout along with any declared bonuses on key events such as maturity or in case of death. You can plan for your future by selecting a policy term between 15 to 25 years based on when you need the assured amount, and you can also get hassle-free instant policy issuance with simplified underwriting for a sum assured of up to 2 lakhs. So these are some of the key features of the policy. The benefits are you get death benefit in case of unfortunate death of the policy's holder. Then the nominee or the legal heir will get the death benefit, which is higher of your guaranteed sum assured or 10 times annualized premium on the date of death plus any accrued bonus till date of death if declared. So this death benefit is payable at any point of time and it shall not be less than 105% of the total premiums payable. So maturity benefit is something the policyholder will get once the policy term ends. So here he will get guaranteed sum assured on maturity along with simple reversionary bonus if it was declared and terminal bonus also if it was declared. So along with these things it will be paid. This will be the maturity benefit. The advantages of investing in this policy is you can avail a loan of up to 90% of the available surrender value. And the disadvantages are this plan includes bonuses making the benefits non-guaranteed. The returns are relatively low. The sum assured may also be insufficient to meet your family's basic financial needs. So these are the disadvantages of investing in this policy that you need to be mindful about before deciding to invest. Now, as we have a basic understanding, let's move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to assess the potential returns by calculating the internal rate of return IRR of this policy. So let us now calculate the IRR by assuming that a 35-year-old male purchases this policy with a sum assured of 2 lakhs. So the policy term and premium payment term are both 20 years with an annual premium of 8,380 rupees. So at the end of the policy term, he will receive a maturity benefit that includes the simple reversionary bonus and terminal bonus. So here we are going to calculate the future return scenarios based on two future assumed rate of return like 8% per annum and 4% per annum to indicate the best and worst case scenario you can get from this policy. These returns are no way guaranteed and do not reflect the maximum or minimum possible returns because the actual policy value will depend on various factors including future investment performance. So at 4% return scenario, your maturity value after 20 years is 2 lakhs, which yields you an IRR of 1.65%, which is lower than the interest rate offered by a bank savings account. So at an 8% return scenario, which is the best case scenario, the maturity value after 20 years is 2.80 lakhs with an IRR of 4.67%, which is still lower than a bank fixed deposit. So these returns are quite low, making the policy an ineffective investment for wealth creation. Additionally, the life coverage provided is also insufficient to meet a family's financial security needs. So given these limitations, the plan falls short in both insurance and investment aspects, making it an unfavorable option for investors. So as this policy is not giving us a desirable outcome, now we are going to conduct a comparative analysis where we are going to compare this policy with other alternative investment strategy. So first of all, this plan offers a minimum sum assured of 20,000 and a maximum of 5 lakhs. However, as per IRDAI guideline, the minimum sum assured for a standard pure term policy like Saral Jeevan Bima plan is 5 lakhs. So, any coverage below this threshold is inadequate to provide meaningful financial security for a family. In the previous example, the sum assured was only 2 lakhs, which falls short of offering substantial life insurance protection. So, here we are going to separate the components of insurance and investment and going to invest in it separately to see whether that can yield us better financial outcomes. So here for life insurance policy purpose, we have purchased a pure term policy with a 5 lakh sum assured, a 20-year policy term and a 20-year premium payment period, which cost us a premium of 2,800 rupees annually. So compared to the premium we paid for the India First policy, here we have 5,580 rupees available for investment, which can be allocated based on an individual's risk preference. So if you are a risk averse investor, you can choose PPF, which is Public Provident Fund, for stable return. If you are a risk tolerant investor, you can choose ELSS, which is an equity linked savings scheme for higher growth potential. So assuming ELSS as the investment vehicle, the pre-tax maturity value reaches 4.50 lakhs. After deducting the capital gains tax, the post-tax maturity value stands at 4.23 lakhs with an IRR of 8.19%. So this comparison demonstrates that separating insurance and investment yields better financial outcomes. So traditional insurance plan you see typically offer limited coverage and modest return, whereas combining a pure term policy with strategic investment like PPF or ELSS provides superior financial security and wealth creation potential. If you have any doubts, you can also refer to the ELSS tax calculations presented on the screen as a tabular column where we have explained how it was taxed. So now what is the final verdict of this video? So like, should we invest in India First simple benefit plan? Is it worth investing or not? This policy is a basic endowment plan designed to channel your savings with premiums allocated towards both life coverage and investment. However, the sum assured is too low to meet a family's essential financial needs and the savings component offers subpar returns. As a result, this plan fails to provide significant value from both an insurance and investment perspective. Traditional policies like this can disrupt your financial planning and leave you unprepared for future uncertainties. Therefore, this policy may not be the best choice for securing your financial future, and it also has a high agent commission. A better approach is to opt for a pure term life insurance policy to protect your family while investing separately to grow your wealth. Diversifying your investment across different asset classes ensures both security and financial growth, helping you achieve your long-term financial goals. If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.